Welcome. If you're the owner of a Telegram group and want to delete your custom owner title using the latest Telegram update on your PC, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through each step to keep your group profile exactly how you want it. Clean and simple. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're running the latest version to access all the newest features and settings. Once you're in, look through your chat list and open the group where you are the owner. Only group owners have access to change or remove their custom titles, so double-check that you have the right permissions in this group. At the top right corner of the group chat window, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these to open a drop-down menu. From the list of options, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's management settings, where you can adjust everything from permissions to group info. Inside the management menu, find and click on Administrators. Here, you'll see a list of all admins, including yourself as the owner. Click on your own profile in this list to open the owner settings. Now, look for the field labeled Custom Title. If you previously set a title for yourself, like Founder or Group Owner, you'll see it here. To remove it, simply delete the text in the Custom Title box. Leave this field empty. Once you've cleared the custom title, click Save to confirm your changes. Telegram will instantly update your group, and your owner title will no longer appear next to your name in the group chat. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your owner title in your Telegram group using the PC app. This small change can help keep your group chat looking tidy and professional, or just the way you like it. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other group owners who might want to do the same. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your streamlined Telegram experience.